हेलो फ्यूचर डॉक्टर्स, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। स्वागत एक बार फिर से कोच मिनिस्टर में, योर गो टू डेस्टिनेशन फॉर ऑल थिंग्स रिलेटेड टू मेडिकल एजुकेशन एंड करियर। अगर आप यहां पर नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब बटन को दबाना मत भूलिएगा और कर दीजिएगा नोटिफिकेशन बेल को ऑन so that you never miss an update from us. In the previous video, we gave you a comprehensive overview of the USMLE exam. अगर वो वीडियो आपने अभी तक नहीं देखा है, then I highly recommend कि वो वीडियो आप जाकर अभी देख ले। लिंक is in the description ताकि ये वीडियो आपको और ज़्यादा अच्छे तरीके से समझ में आ सके। In today's video, we're diving deep into step 1 of the USMLE exam. We'll walk you through everything you need to know to ace this step in your medical journey. Now let's dive into the heart of today's discussion, USMLE Step 1. Step 1 assesses your understanding of basic medical sciences and ability to apply that knowledge in a clinical setting. The exam is divided into 7 60-minute blocks with a total 280 multiple choice questions. The examination also includes a minimum allotment of 45 minutes break time and 15 minutes optional tutorial. The amount of time available for breaks can be increased by finishing a block of test or optional tutorial before the allotted time expires. You will encounter questions covering a wide range of topics, including anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, microbiology, pathology, pharmacology, and behavioral sciences. It's crucial to have a solid grasp on these subjects in order to excel in Step 1. अगर आपको भी USMLE स्टेप 1 को क्रैक करना है तो आपको उसके कंटेंट के बारे में तो पता होना ही चाहिए। Let's have a look at the range of percentage allocated to various systems and subjects. Human development 1 to 3%, immune system 8 to 13%, special senses 10 to 14%, musculoskeletal, skin and subcutaneous tissue 7 to 12%. Cardiovascular system 6 to 11%, urinary system 10 to 15%, gastrointestinal system 5 to 10%, reproductive endocrine system 9 to 13%, multisystem processes and disorder 11 to 16%, population health 4 to 6%, social sciences, communication and interpersonal skill 6 to 9%. While not all topics are tested in each USMLE step, the overall content coverage is similar across different exam forms for each step. Mastering these topics is essential to pass Step 1 and building a solid foundation for clinical practice. ये तो हो गई USMLE Step 1 की बात। अब आपके मन में एक सवाल आ रहा होगा कि आप USMLE Step 1 के लिए अप्लाई कैसे कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए अब बात कर लेते हैं USMLE Step 1 के एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस की। The application portal for US Canada Medical University students is NBME login portal on the NBME website. International medical graduates can register for the USMLE Step 1 through ECFMG official website. Book your exam dates and time at a Prometric website which is shown in your screen. हम इसके लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी डाल चुके हैं, आप वहां से भी चेकआउट कर सकते हैं। Select Prometric USMLE Step 1, your testing location and your preferred exam date within your eligibility period. Complete the booking process by referring to and entering the information on your scheduling permit. You will need to upload your personal details as mentioned in your password. The identification will be used to verify your identity at the testing center. You will need to carry your passport for your identification at the Prometric exam center. Once you have completed your registration process, you will be able to print out your admission ticket. The ticket will contain all the information you need to know about the exam, including the date, time and location. तो ये था आज का वीडियो। अगर पसंद आया होगा तो कर दीजिए इसे लाइक और अगर ऐसी ही वीडियो और भी देखना चाहते हैं तो कर दीजिए हमें सब्सक्राइब। और अगर कोई भी डाउट है तो हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछना नहीं भूलिएगा। We'll be very happy to answer. Till then, bye bye.